everyone, my name is Dr. Gail Cunningham and I'm here to tell you about the second of two workshops I'll be doing at the Advancing Women Conference in Calgary, March 16th to 18th. My second workshop will be on menopause. So why is a veterinarian talking about menopause, you may ask? Well, as a 50-something woman who's gone on my own perimenopause journey for the last too many years, I have become a certified menopause coach, so I can help myself and other women. As part of my workshop, we'll be going through the physiology of menopause, what's happening in our bodies to drive those symptoms. The symptoms of menopause, both common and uncommon, some of which you may not even realize are attributed to your perimenopause and menopause journey. I'll talk to you about the big 5 buckets of things that I have found have really helped me feel my best through this transition that you can also do. And it will also work on your menopause vision statement, which may sound a little crazy, but everyone has different goals through their menopause journey, and it's important to define your own. So I hope to see you at my workshop in Calgary, March 16th to 18th.